In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel order on Dhgate. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm the cancellation with confidence. First, open your browser, go to dhgate.com, and sign into the account you use for the purchase. Make sure you're on the correct account if you have more than one, since orders are tied to a specific login. A stable internet connection helps, because the next few pages can take a moment to load. Once you're in, click My Orders. This takes you to your order list where you'll see each purchase and its current status, such as processing, awaiting shipment, or shipped. Cancellations work best when the order hasn't shipped yet, so keep an eye on that status as you proceed. Next, locate the order you want to cancel. You can scan the list or use filters and the order number if you have it. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct item by checking the product name, price, quantity, and any options like size or color. A quick review now prevents canceling the wrong order by mistake. Click Order Details to open the full order page. Here you'll see the timeline, payment method, delivery address, and seller information. It's a great place to double check everything before you commit to the cancellation. Now select Cancel Order. You'll typically find this button on the Order Details page, and it's only available when the system still allows cancellations. If you don't see the option, the order may be too far along in processing or already shipped, which usually means cancellation isn't available at this stage. Choose the cancellation reason from the list provided. Pick the option that best describes your situation. Being accurate here helps both the seller and the platform handle your request smoothly. If there's a field for a note, keep it brief and clear. Finally, click Confirm. You should see an on-screen confirmation that your cancellation was submitted. After this, the order status will change to canceled or show cancellation requested while the system processes it. You'll also receive a confirmation message in your account or email. Refunds go back to your original payment method, and timing can vary based on the provider. It's normal for this to take a few business days. To wrap up, sign in, open my orders, find the correct purchase, go into order details, choose cancel order, select a reason, and confirm. Keep an eye on the status afterward to ensure the change is complete. That's all you need to cancel an order on Dhgate quickly and confidently.